All right, so this video is to go over Station 8, which is those application questions. So if we look here, for example 1, it says $100 was put into a savings account that grows exponentially at 6% compounded quarterly. Given the equation, so they actually give us the equation for our compounded interest here, where V is the value in dollars and T is measured in time. After how many years is your account worth double the original value? So in this case, they're actually giving us the equation, and we need to figure out T and how many years, because they want to know when our account has doubled. So in this case, they want to know, right, double of 100. 100 times 2 is 200. So they want to know when we have $200 in our account. So that would look like this when we set up our equation. Right? We know the balance of the account that we want, and we want to know how many years it will take to get there. So in this unit, we learned how to solve that using logarithms. So the goal here was to be able to take the log of both sides. So first, what I wanted to do is I need to get the exponential piece by itself. So that's this section here that's being raised to the 4t. So what I'm going to do is divide both sides by 100. So then I have 2 equals 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 to the 4t. And so now, to be able to solve this exponent, just like we've been solving like 17 equals 2 to the x power, we can do the same thing for this. We're going to put a natural log on both sides and then bring the exponent down. We do the same thing for this. So we're going to put the natural log on both sides, and just to give myself a little bit of room, I'm going to write on the back of something else. But I'm going to natural log both sides, so this becomes the natural log of 2 times the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 to the 4t. And what that allows us to do now that there's a natural log on both sides is bring this exponent to the front. So this becomes natural log of 2 and then equals 4t times the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. And so now the goal is to get t by itself, so we're going to want to do some division in order to get t by itself. The goal is to get this t by itself. So what I can do here is divide by this natural log, and I know this number, or what's in the parentheses, is sticky, but I would rather keep it like this and then just get the decimal number at the end. So if I divide that side by the natural log, I have to divide this side by the natural log. So really what I have now when I do this is 4t equals the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. And this is kind of where I would bring the calculator in. So I would come over here and do the natural log of 2 divided by, and then I can just type in the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. And that does this part. So 4t currently equals this decimal here, 46.55552563. And so from that, I really want to divide from this both sides by 4. So I'm going to take this answer and I'm just going to hit divide that answer. So from where I'm at, I can just hit divide by and it will say answer. So this divided by 4. And so I get t equals 11.64 years. So it will take 11.64 years for my amount to double. Yeah, so when we're given an amount, our goal is to get our exponential by itself so that we can add a natural log, which allows us to bring our variable that we're looking for out of the exponent and solve. So hopefully that helps you as you solve the rest of these application questions.